To hide all of your data on the Realme 14 Pro, you will have to start by opening settings, and now you will have to go into security and privacy. Right now, scroll all the way down, select private save. Now set a privacy password. You can additionally change it. Change the type of the password. Now input the password twice. Right here you will have to select the security question. You can select like that, and you have to enter this security question. We can also use recover email. Click confirm in the right upper corner, and right now let's say that I want to hide, for example, some music. If you don't have anything, click add, and now you can select anything that you want to hide. Tap to set as a private, and as you can see right now, there we go. So here when you click on the settings in the right upper corner, you can simply add the home screen icon to get quick access into your private safe. And now when you tap on it, you can just simply enter, and here you can find all of your hidden photos, videos, but also some music and other files.